Kia Soul 2014, 15, 16 and 17. How to replace a rotor, wheel hub. It's also called a wheel bearing and hub assembly. So first we have to remove the brake caliper. It will have 2 screws on a back. This is for the caliper. One is here and one will go here. Alright, now I have to remove the assembly that is holding with the 2 screws as well. One is on the top and one is on the bottom. Already. Now there are 2 flip screws. They're gonna be opening with screw gun. Alrighty, now it is out. Now I'm gonna put a rubber stuff and gonna start pushing it. It's already loosened up, so you may have to use a rubber hammer or something stronger to remove this pad. Sorry, this is a rotor. It's gone. You see the scratches? No good. Alrighty, this is good. Now the next step is we're gonna be removing 4 screws. They are 14 millimeter. Let me show you. One, two, three, and 4. Alrighty. Now the next step is we're gonna be pulling this thing out and have to be careful. All right. Alrighty, now I have to be very careful because there is a sensor. So this is a lock for a sensor, and pull it out. Again. I do not have to take it out all the way, this spring. It is just happened. Now I'm trying to unhook so I can put it back, this thing properly. Oh man. Alright, no problem. I will put with the new one. Alright, this one goes here. New hub. By the way, this is the same formula for both sides, whether you're doing left or right. Not easy. Not easy. Not easy. Okay, now I'm gonna hold it with one hand. There you go. Now I'm gonna push it in. This is done. Align with hole. Align with this hole. Well, okay, I will fix that thing later. Let me put these screws in. First, I'm gonna hand tight so I don't mess threads. Hand tight. Okay, now I'm gonna be driving this thing. Now I'm gonna be fixing this seal so the sensor can be watertight. Well, it's not really watertight, but still prevent the water not to go in. There you go. This part is good. No more noise. Perfect. When I'm gonna be putting this rotor back, I'm gonna be aligning this screw and this hole with this one. The other one will be fit in automatically. Ready. Alrighty, now I'm gonna be caliper bracket. Okay. And that's it. Okay, that's it. Now I already mentioned in a different video how to adjust the caliper, and if someone needs to know how to push the caliper piston back, they can check my other video. Ready? Okay. That's it. So we just replace a rotor, wheel hub bearing assembly, and remove the sensor and put it back. So the job is done. Have a good day, guys.